Hello students, let us look at a problem of quadratic equation. This problem has been asked in CBSE board examination. Find the values of k for which the following equation has a real and equal roots. The equation is x square minus twice x multiplied by 1 plus 3k plus 7 times 3 plus 2k is equal to 0. Let us proceed for its solution. The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The given equation is, writing this equation in the standard form, we have x square minus 2 times 1 plus 3k, 2 times 1 plus 3k, and that is x, this is x, plus 7 times 3 plus 2k is equal to 0. Comparing this equation with the standard form, we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 times 1 plus 3k, and c is equal to 7 times 3 plus 2k. Seven times 3 plus 2k. We know that for real and equal roots, the discriminant has to be 0. And what is discriminant? b square minus 4ac as per the standard form. Now here b is minus 2 times 1 plus 3k. Therefore this is squared. Minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 7 times 3 plus 2k. I have written here. Now simplifying this equation, we have minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, that is 4, and 1 plus 3k squared, minus 7 1 ja 7 and 7 4 ja 28 multiplied by 3 plus 2k, this is equal to 0. Now we see that 4 is a factor in the first term and 4 is also a factor in this term. So dividing this equation by 4, we have 1 plus 3k square minus 4 7 ja 48. Therefore 7 times 3 plus 2k, this is equal to 0. This implies 1 plus 2ab, that is 3 2 ja 6k, plus b square, that is 9k square. Here we are multiplying 7 3 ja minus 21 and minus 7 times 2k, that is minus 14k, this is equal to 0. Now simplifying again, we have this is 9k square. Now this is 6k and this is minus 14k, and we have this is minus 8k, this one and this minus 21. Therefore this is minus 20 is equal to 0. Now this is again a quadratic equation. Now in order to solve this quadratic equation, we want to solve it by splitting the middle term. Now what do we do in splitting the middle term? 9 multiplied by minus 20, that is minus 180. Now let us factorize it. 180, the prime factorization is this: 2 90, 2 40, 3 15, 3 5. That means 180 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now we have to look for two numbers with the help of this factorization such that their difference is The difference is -8. Now we see that 5 2 ja 10 and 3 3 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. 18 and 10, the difference is 8. Therefore, these two numbers will work. Now, writing this 9k square, and this is minus 18k and plus 10k. If you simplify this, we will get minus 8k and minus 20, this is equal to 0. Now, grouping these terms, here the first term and the second term, 9k is a factor, therefore taking it outside, 9k times, this is k minus 2, 9k times k minus 2, plus here 10 is a factor, therefore 10 times k minus 2, and this is equal to 0. Now here k minus 2 and k minus 2 is a factor of both the terms. Therefore, k minus 2 is taken outside and we have, this is 9k and this is 10. 9k plus 10 times k minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies either this factor is 0 or this factor is 0. Now, if this factor is 0, we are going to have k is equal to minus 10 by 9. And if this factor is 0, we are going to have k is equal to 2. Thus, the value of k, the value of k for which this equation has real and equal roots are minus 10 by 9 or 2. And these are the answers. ओके, थैंक यू। दूसरे वीडियो के लिए